Medbio manufactures products for the medical device and biotech industries. We're making products that impact people's lives on a daily basis. We really felt the need to grow at a much more rapid pace than we were currently experiencing, and the only way to do that was through add-on acquisitions, and Graham would be able to allow us to figure out what kind of strategy we need going forward.
AIM really is a perfect fit with Medbio. AIM does rapid turnaround, rapid prototyping. Medbio manufactures thermoplastic components in a clean room environment. The AIM team added the capability to provide customers with a one-stop shop, making it a bigger, safer, more diversified company.
Medbio decided to partner with Graham because they take the time to learn about the businesses, the people, and the processes in order to figure out whether or not this is truly a perfect add-on acquisition.
It became clear that we shared a very similar vision for the business. Companies were running the same machines, running the same ERP system. It really provided a situation where we could introduce additional capabilities to both sets of customers at the same time.
Speed to market is extremely important. AIM can turn around some pretty complex tools in 4 to 6 weeks. AIM gave Medbio something to get into the door with our customers. Now we can offer them rapid prototyping all the way up to high volume production.
The AIM transaction created a situation where we doubled the size of the company within the first 6 months of ownership. We're going to continue to execute add-on acquisitions as a way to execute the overall strategic plan at our portfolio companies to really enhance the overall value.
We couldn't have had a much better result than the combination of these two companies. In the future, I'm really looking forward to adding companies that devote their time and talent to their customers and will allow us to expand our capabilities in the medical contract manufacturing space.